Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 17 Clairfields Drive West in Guelph. This home presents an amazing opportunity for both investors and families as it features 4 bedrooms upstairs and a legal basement apartment down below. Let's go take a look inside to see what this amazing home has to offer. As you walk in the front door, you are greeted by a large foyer that leads into the main level living space. The main floor offers an eat-in kitchen with a sit-up bar and plenty of space for a large dining table. You will love the brand new stainless steel fridge, stove, and range hood that were just installed. The kitchen wraps around to a spacious living room with a gas fireplace that centers the room. The main level also offers a formal dining room just off the kitchen, which could also be used as an office or a den. This level also provides the convenience of a 2-piece powder room and a laundry room. Heading upstairs, the upper level offers 4 spacious bedrooms and a 4-piece main bathroom. The master bedroom features his and hers closets and a 4-piece ensuite bathroom. You'll also appreciate that a good portion of the main and upper levels has been freshly painted and that brand new carpet has just been installed. The basement unit offers 2 bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, a kitchen, family room, and laundry facilities. This is a great rental unit or the perfect in-law suite for extra family members. The backyard features an upper-level deck, a lower patio, a shed, and a fenced yard. This is an exceptional home and it's located in a prime South Guelph location. It's just a few steps away from the neighborhood trails, restaurants, bus routes, parks, and all of the South End amenities. As you can see, this home has plenty to offer. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.